If you're planning to buy an SUV in the United States, stop for a moment, because some of the most important SUVs in years are about to launch. Bigger screens, better fuel economy, electric and hybrid options, more space, and smarter technology are all arriving at the same time. And if you buy too early, you might miss out on SUVs that are simply better in every way. So today, let's talk about the upcoming SUVs Americans should seriously consider waiting for. Why SUVs matter more than ever in America. SUVs dominate the American market. Families want space, comfort, and safety. Drivers want a higher seating position. And buyers want one vehicle that can do everything. Automakers know this. That's why most of the biggest innovation right now is happening in SUVs, not sedans. Electric, hybrid, and next-generation gas SUVs are all about to level up. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Let's start with Toyota. The Grand Highlander Hybrid is designed for American families who want 3 rows, great fuel economy, and Toyota reliability. More space than a regular Highlander, better mileage than most large SUVs, and no need to plug in. For many buyers, this could be the perfect balance between size and efficiency. If you want a family SUV that just works, this one is worth waiting for. Chevrolet Equinox EV. This SUV could be a game changer. The Chevrolet Equinox EV is targeting a price that normal Americans can afford, not luxury buyers. Solid range, modern design, and simple controls make it one of the most important electric SUVs coming to the US. If Chevy delivers on pricing and availability, this could become one of the most common SUVs on American roads. Affordable electric SUVs are rare, and this one matters. Hyundai Ioniq 7. Large electric SUVs are the future, and Hyundai knows it. The Ioniq 7 is expected to offer 3 rows, fast charging, long range, and a futuristic interior design for families. Think comfort, space, and technology, without luxury brand pricing. If you want a full-size electric family SUV, this is one of the biggest launches to watch. Honda Prologue. Honda doesn't rush, and that's usually a good thing. The Prologue is Honda's serious entry into electric SUVs for America. Clean design, comfortable interior, practical size, and Honda reliability, paired with modern EV tech. This is an electric SUV for people who don't want drama, just something dependable. If you trust Honda more than new startups, this SUV deserves your attention. Kia EV9. The Kia EV9 is already turning heads, and for good reason. It's a bold, boxy, 3-row electric SUV that looks like nothing else on the road. Huge interior space, modern tech, fast charging, and aggressive pricing make it one of the most exciting family EVs in America. This is proof that electric SUVs don't have to be boring. If you want something different, this one is worth waiting for. Toyota Land Cruiser. Yes, it's back, and yes, it matters. The new Toyota Land Cruiser is more affordable, more efficient, and still extremely capable. Hybrid power, legendary durability, and real off-road ability without luxury pricing. For Americans who want adventure, reliability, and long-term ownership, this SUV is a big deal. This is not a trend-chasing SUV. It's built to last. Tesla's next-generation compact SUV. Tesla isn't done yet. Alongside its affordable car plans, Tesla is expected to introduce a smaller, more affordable SUV aimed at mass-market buyers. Simple design, strong software, access to the supercharger network, and aggressive pricing. If Tesla gets this right, it could disrupt the compact SUV segment completely. This is one to watch closely. Why waiting could be the smart move. Here's the key takeaway. SUVs coming in the next 1 to 2 years will offer better efficiency, better tech, and better value than many models on sale today. Buying too early could mean missing out on vehicles that are cheaper to run, easier to live with, and better long-term investments. Waiting isn't about hype. It's about timing. Final thoughts. The SUV market in America is changing fast. Electric is growing, hybrids are exploding, and technology is improving across the board. The SUVs coming next are not small upgrades, they're major steps forward. So now I want to hear from you. Would you rather buy an electric SUV, a hybrid SUV, or stick with gas for now? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more honest, no hype breakdowns of upcoming cars in the USA, subscribe because the next few years are going to change everything.